it's following us, I guess.
Oh shit, dude.
Dude, 2 videos in a row?
Huh?
I mean,
guess tell them what we're doing.
So, let me put this down real quick. This bad boy. If you guys didn't watch the last video, one thing we did was we took the stock Y pipe off and replaced them with ISR resonated test pipes and an eBay Y pipe. But my issue here is the exhaust is still dumped right under, so we need to take it to a shop. And I bought this. It's a 3-inch inlet to a 4.5-inch outlet. This thing is huge. This car is going to be loud. Ryan and I need to put the exhaust hangers back on the car. We're going to double check all the bolts we put on for the exhaust, make sure nothing has rattled loose or anything. And let's quit wasting time and get into it. So we got the car jacked up. Don't mind the sketchiness down here. So you can see it's dumped. I'm going to have a shop from the Y. I'm going to zoom in right there. From the Y pipe right there, we're going to have an all straight piped right here, 3-inch piping, and then the muffler is going to come out right here on this side. I'm going to single tip it, and then we might tuck the bumper eventually. If you did take off your exhaust hangers, all the bolts are 12 millimeters. We probably shouldn't have took them off, but we did. And now we got to put them back on. And just like that, we got 1 hanger on, 2 hangers on, and then the 3rd hanger right there. And over here, I got some bolts that we didn't use, some gaskets, and then here's the muffler piece. Came with a silencer too, but come on, who's gonna use that? So I'm filming on my phone at Modern Muffler Shop, Tampa. Got the car up on the lift. We're gonna have a big single tip. That's sweet. Here it comes, Ryan. So we just got the exhaust done. We're at the car wash now. About to wash her up. Gonna be good stuff. Ryan's gonna film this sweet edit, and let's get her done.
It's gonna be sick. What'd you say? She's clean?
Not exactly, but it's gonna have to do. This car wash sucks. Look, I hit stop and now
It won't stop.
oh, there it goes.
It stopped. $6. That's not bad. It's kind of bad.
This is a good spot to take photos. Me and Ryan were a little bummed because there was so many people here. Because I wanted to get some photos in front of those palm trees. And this guy came up to me a second ago. I figured he was gonna be like, "What are you doing parked here?" But he like came up to me. He's like, "Hey, I posted in this 350Z group. I'm shooting a music video, and do you want to be in it?" So I told him, I was like, "Sure, I'll be in the music video." So I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, but I'm just gonna stay put and probably just get out and see what these guys are up to.
See what they want. What are we doing, Joey?
We're taking some photos of the car, dude. So we're just taking some more pictures. We kind of ditched the other guys. We might meet up with them later. I did a little skirt for their music video. I don't know if it'll make it in or not, but we got kicked out of that last place, and so I was like, I'll do a skirt.
But we're here at the classic Tampa mural. We got the Z here, looking good. When you gotta get the best fucking angle. So we're at this place called Armature Works. There's a nice view of the Tampa Bay over here. And so Joey's coming on up this hill to try and get some pictures.
Dude, it's a struggle trying to get these photos, man. How do you seriously do? Ryan's never been in one of my videos, but show off the cars. I'm gonna take some photos of both of us, and then I'm gonna get some photos for Trent. And it just looks so beautiful out here.
Oh my god.
Delete that.
I'm deleting the clip.
So we're at Quaker Steak now. I parked right there. Man, Quaker Steak meat's packed tonight, boy. I've never seen anybody do that at a meet. Might be my favorite thing here right now.
We got a lot of
Slam Jeep.
We got a lot of fucking cool cars here tonight.
Yeah, dude, tonight is the one. You probably can't hear me because it's windy. Quaker Steak and Lube. GTR City tonight. This thing is sweet. Got the big wing. Check out the new Supra. Guys got a decal and some underglow. Looks pretty good. So that meet was pretty sick. I don't know if Dakota and Trent have really said much in the video, but they're still here. I don't know if I said anything, but this is also Trent's Mustang. And we're in downtown now taking some more photos, and we're probably gonna ride those dang scooters. So that's how our night's going.
Dank scooters, dank cars. Sometimes this is the effort. Sometimes this is the effort it takes to get the shots that you need. Look at this shot, boy. You can't even see the cars, it's so dark. Oh my fucking god. Joey's been sitting here trying to get this shot. This one shot.
So let me premise by saying, first off, my camera kept falling. I didn't have it locked in place good enough. And now I'm taking long exposure, so I need like 30 seconds of just perfectness. And it's the middle of the night. Why are people walking in my shot, dude? Come on.
10 o'clock at night.
I'm getting it right now.
10 o'clock at night. He says it's the middle of the night. What does that even mean?
Ryan and I are back in a parking garage. I think we lost Trenton and Dakota. They were behind me when we came in the parking garage, and I stalled, and I was a little mad, so I lit up the tires. Not on purpose, I just let the clutch out really abruptly. And yeah, I guess so. So we're just gonna ride some scooters. I don't think we need to film that. Any last words, Ryan? No. Today was a good day.
It was a good day. It'll be one to be remembered. And I'm just waiting to actually see this thing shoot some real flames.
Yes, sir. Sounds like a plan. My name is Joey Phillips, and thank you for tuning into the Joey Phillips YouTube channel.